What's going on, everybody? Cody Does It, back at it again with another video. I'm at the shop, I'm about to pull this clackety Hyundai in and pull the oil pan, pull the valve cover, and see what the hell's wrong with my engine. Start it up. Ugh. Not too bad at idle, or at 2K, just moving real slow. Go ahead and pull this pan on my car, one with the rod knock, and we're going to inspect the bottom end of this engine. See if I broke any wrist pins. Oh, I need to get my 13 and my 14 for that as well. Cool. Grab me a magnetic tray too. Stand by. Yeah. Magnet tray, so I'm throwing my bolts in there. I'm going to have to pull my clutch cover and we will get this show on the road. Another one. RTV'd up. Why is there RTV in my oil pan? Yep. Extension. It's only on one. Put it on two. Oop, spilling my oil. I want to look at that. Drop this down to here. Excess. More RTV. They're not asking me to work on anything. Got my own problems over here, folks. Huh? There's one over there connected to that hose. Yes, sir. I said, yes, sir. No worries, man. Do what? Can you get out of here soon? I'm about to pull my oil pan off and check the bottom end of my motor. It started knocking the other day. I was driving it hard. Probably gonna have to get it rebuilt or replaced. Yeah, it's life. You win some and you lose some, right? I lose a lot though. Engine's, man, it's probably gonna be pretty freaking hard to get off if I had to guess. So I'm gonna go grab me a little pry tool and we'll this puppy pulled off of here. Come on, business. Oh, you wanna come out? I know you do. There ain't nowhere in here to get any kind of fucking leverage. I'm gonna take this damn skid plate off. It's broken already anyway. Alright, camera, you're gonna have to come down with me. In case, if you can see, I don't know much about engines. The journal, the bottom side of the fucking crank, whatever, you can see it's smooth. It's got a little bit of scarring on it, but that's typical, I would think, right? And you look at the next one, looks pretty normal, looks pretty smooth, right? And then you look at cylinder 3, where I've been having scorching and issues with spark plugs, and you can see that bowl dipped in it. And yeah, so cylinder 4, it's good, doesn't have that issue. Cylinder 3, we're shot. I can get my micrometer, but there's too much oil leaking right now. But definitely the cause of my engine issue, definitely the reason why this engine blew up. Sorry, Hyundai, I love this car, but how the hell does that happen when I change my oil every 3,000 miles? That's just impossible. There's no way. I do beat on the car, but I take care of it, man. I take care of this car. I love this car. And now I've got to replace this entire engine. So, as always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. I will see you on the next video. Unfortunately, this is not ideal. Not ideal at all. Nope. Bottom side is all screwed up. Maybe I can get a lower portion of the engine block and call somebody I know and see what we know, see what we can figure out. This really sucks though, guys. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Any kind of views, comments, subscribes, any of that stuff will definitely help me. Got a lot of stuff going on in my life, but this ain't gonna stop me.